Hello and welcome to this month's Heatline video blog. Today we are going to talk about what to confirm prior to ordering, or rather, an ordering checklist. Before you call a member of our sales and customer service team, you are going to want to confirm these 9 things. What is the application? Is it internal or external? Do you need pipe? Or do you have pre-existing pipe and only need the heating cables? What type of pipes do you have, and do you know what the internal and external diameter are? What is the length of the system required? You will need to measure and determine what is the length of system you will need. Are you looking for a 120 volt or 240 volt system? Are you looking for a plug-in version with a GFCI protection or a cord set that can be directly hardwired into your panel? If you're going internal, what are your fitting requirements? Does the water fluctuate, and is there any pipe above the ground? Do you need a thermostat or a timer? We hope you found this month's video blog helpful. We will continue to release a new video blog monthly, so make sure you stay up to date by signing up for our newsletter, subscribing to our YouTube channel, or following us on Facebook or one of our other social media pages. Thanks for watching.